Welcome to another Oration in Action video. From vehicle servicing and sales to roadside assistance, the potential to leverage conversational AI in the automotive industry is huge. Why not automate the scheduling of services for return customers? Or pinpointing exactly where a customer has broken down so that they can be easily located by the roadside assist driver. These type of situations is where Oration excels, delivering exceptional experiences whilst simultaneously achieving operational efficiencies. Oration is an advanced conversational AI product developed by the Convai team, who have over 20 years' experience with speech, biometrics, and contact center operations across a multitude of industry verticals, including government, healthcare, insurance, retail, and more. In this video, I will demonstrate Oration's advanced conversational capabilities with use cases suited to the automotive industry, and will show how, by leveraging multiple LLMs and combining agentic with deterministic processes, Oration will transform how your customers interact with your organization. Oration's UI has been designed for use by business support staff rather than needing to have technical staff on hand to configure the customer experience. This section will provide an understanding of the mechanisms administrators can use to configure Oration to achieve the desired outcome for each interaction. There are 4 mechanisms which I will elaborate on. 1. The main flow. The main flow provides the LLM with a deterministic framework that must be followed throughout each interaction. It starts with a welcome, then progresses to the actual conversation. Reporting metrics are captured at the end of the conversation, and possible outcomes are defined based on the outcome of the conversation. These outcomes might include ending the call or transferring the caller to the contact center or to the local store or practice. 2. Instructions. Instructions are a set of guardrails and reasoning guidelines, written in plain English, constraining the LLM, ensuring that the conversation aligns with client preferences. Here, administrators can define the logic behind how the LLM converses in every scenario imaginable, providing guidance on everything from the persona traits that the LLM should embody to which tasks it can process and which it cannot process. Typical instruction pages include company information, persona traits, a page defining the tools available to the LLM, a set of general instructions containing important rules, a page for tasks which do and do not require identification, and some product knowledge pages which the LLM can draw on when answering general questions. Three. Subflows, or tools, are deterministic flows which the LLM can call on to complete specific tasks during a conversation. For example, if a caller asks to update their personal information, Oration knows that the caller must go through the identification and verification process before any personal information is discussed or amended. One of the commonly used tools executes the ID and V process and returns the outcome to the LLM so that it can continue the conversation. There are a set of commonly used tools which come deployed with an Oration install. The deflection tool, which can send an SMS to the caller's mobile, or can send an email to a specified email address. This tool is useful when confirming information like an appointment or booking, sending the link to download an app or to the login page of a website, or sending an email to either the caller or an internal team for processing. The get location tool, which can collect the caller's location, is useful when handling emergency scenarios or when searching for services close to the caller. The Get Photo tool, which can collect a photo taken from the caller's phone, is very handy during the claims process or when needing to provide a copy of a receipt. The Host Lookup tool, which retrieves data from a back-end system for use in the conversation. During demonstrations, this lookup is performed using tables internal to Oration, but in production, the data source would be an external system, and the lookup would be performed by RESTful API or by Lambda. The Identification and Verification (IDV) tool, which enables Oration to identify a caller, can be configured to ask knowledge questions, or optionally can leverage the built-in voice biometrics capability for added security and peace of mind. 4. Attributes. These contain variable data which Oration relies upon to conduct each conversation. The first set of attribute values are sent to Oration from a client's customer experience platform. Oration then attaches data to attributes throughout the conversation, both agentic and deterministic portions, resulting in useful data being attached to the interaction which can be used to guide or personalize the conversation, report metrics, or present the information to a contact center agent or receptionist. Administrators can configure attributes in the Settings section, and these can be inbound from an external system, internal for use by Oration only, and outbound for passing from Oration to an external system. There are also flow attributes which are configured by editing the flow, and these can be passed between the LLM conversation and the tool which is being used. This is a roadside assistance scenario where the caller has broken down and needs to organize for a team member to come out and help them.
Welcome to Special Autos. I am an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Yes, I need roadside assistance, thanks.
Is this an emergency?
No,
Please say your registration number.
DRS21V.
Thanks. I have sent you a 6-digit one-time PIN by text. It should arrive in just a moment. Please read out the one-time PIN that you have received.
729345.
Nice Nissan Pulsar, dude. Can you describe the issue you're having with your car?
Yeah, I think the battery is dead.
So your battery is flat, is that correct?
Yes.
Great. To get your location, I will send you a text message. When you get the message, click on the link to share your location. But don't hang up on this call. You can cancel at any time by pressing 0 on the phone or by pressing cancel on the form. Thanks, I've got your location. Your current location is 182 Lake Road, Okoroy, Waikato region. Is that correct?
Yes.
Making your booking now. Please hold. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Special Autos. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
If an administrator wishes to view information about that interaction, they would navigate to the Conversations tab. There are 4 visual methods to reviewing the interaction. We will use the Chat and Detail tabs. We can see that I have been identified using my ID number, which, in this case, I have mapped to the registration plate. I've been sent a 6-digit PIN and have successfully repeated that back to Oration, which uplifts me to a high security match. Using the registration number, Oration searches the lookup table and it returns my name, address, service date, location, vehicle make, and model. Note that we don't use all of that information in this scenario. Oration then uses the location tool to send me an SMS containing a link so that I can confirm my location. Once I've done this, Oration completes the booking for me. We can see that the main intent is roadside assistance and that I've said that it's because I have a flat battery. We can see that I've been high security matched and what tokens I've passed. This is an automated service scheduling scenario which uses an instruction page, 2 lookup tables, and the Deflect tool to schedule the service in a back-end system and confirm the booking with the caller via SMS.
Welcome to Special Autos. I am an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to schedule a service.
No problem at all. Can I please get your car's registration number for the service?
DRS21V.
I see your last service was at our Manly Service Centre. Would you like to book your next service there as well?
No, at North Sydney, please.
We have availability at North Sydney. What day would you like to schedule your service?
Thursday.
On Thursday, we have an opening at 2 p.m. Would that time work for you?
Yes, please.
Would you like to receive an SMS with the details?
Yes, please.
Your service is booked for Thursday at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Special Autos. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
This is an automated repair job scheduling scenario. Oration performs some initial fault troubleshooting, then references pricing using instruction pages, provides the caller with an estimated price, and then, using lookup tables, proceeds to schedule the job based on service center availability.
Welcome to Special Autos. I am an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, my car is in need of repair. Can you help?
Yes, I can help you with that. What is the make and model of your car and what seems to be the problem?
There's a banging coming from the rear.
A banging from the rear could be a few things. Does it sound like it's coming from the suspension, or more like a loose exhaust?
I would say from the suspension.
Okay, so a banging from the suspension could mean the diff bushes need replacing. The estimated cost for parts is $200 and labor is 8 hours at $40 an hour. This would be a total of $520. Would you like to book this in?
Yes, please.
Which service centre would you like to book with? We have Manly, North Sydney and Wollongong.
Wollongong, please.
Wollongong is open Monday to Sunday. What day would you like to schedule the service?
Let's make it Monday.
On Monday, we have availability at 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Which time would you prefer?
10 a.m., please.
So that's a repair job for your diff bushes at Wollongong on Monday at 10 a.m. Would you like to receive an SMS with these details?
Yes, please.
The repair job is booked for Monday at 10 a.m. at our Wollongong Service Centre. You will receive an SMS with the details shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Special Autos. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
In this scenario, the caller is purchasing a used vehicle, private sale. Using the registration, Oration will retrieve the vehicle information from an external database and will then generate a report to send to the caller's mobile. Before sending the report, Oration will take payment, and in addition to sending the report, will be able to answer any questions about the vehicle that the caller might have.
Welcome to Special Autos. I am an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm buying a used car and I'd like some information about it.
I can help you with a used car report. What is the registration number of the vehicle you are interested in?
PTR21S.
The vehicle is a 1994 Honda Integra, red in color. A vehicle report costs $27. Would you like to purchase it?
Yes, please.
What is the name on the card?
Simon Lee.
What is the card number?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What is the expiry date?
October 27th,
What is the CCV?
118.
Thank you. I am processing your payment now. The payment was successful and the report has been sent to your mobile. Do you have any questions about the vehicle?
Yes, can you tell me, has it ever been stolen?
No, it has not been reported as stolen. Is there anything else I can help you with?
How many previous owners were there?
There have been 4 previous owners. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What is the odometer reading?
The odometer reading is 211,400. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Special Autos. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
The vehicle information has been retrieved from an internal lookup table, but in production, Oration would be integrated with an external data source via RESTful API or Lambda. We've reached the end of the video demonstrating how Oration can add value to organizations in the automotive industry. Please reach out if you would like to schedule a demonstration customized to your specific use cases. Thanks for watching.